I know a sound that all men love.
False. It's this.
Alright team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. This one is roasted bone marrow. Oh yeah, like and subscribe. And let's get you started. Glasses on for safety. Okay, to start we're going to get one marrow bone, split down the middle by the butcher and then cut in half. I forgot to get the butcher to take the knuckles off, so I've had to do it myself. I need a sticky note stuck to my head like the train guy the next time I go to the butcher.
Oh, brilliant!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Don't try this at home.
After we've cut them to the size we want, pop them in a container. I only had small containers here. Try and get one to fit them all in. And we're going to make a brine. So 4 tablespoons of salt to 4 cups of water is the best ratio for this. And cover them, seal them, and let them sit overnight.
The next day.
When you're ready to have them, splash a little bit of Lee & Perrins Worcestershire Sauce on there. Brush it in. And sprinkle a little bit of salt on top as well. Pop them in the oven on 220 degrees C for around 15 minutes.
Meanwhile,
for the pork crumb, we're going to use some crackling and just tap that until it's a nice fine powder.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Give it a little tappy. Tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
To serve it up, place your bone marrow down. I'm going to serve it with a nice piece of rye bread. And then spoon some of the pork crumb over the top with a few sage leaves. And you're good to go. Is it nice? Very good. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought and I'll see you in the next one.
Ta-ta and farewell.